Thinking about relocating to Spokane? Feeling overwhelmed with the process? Well, you're not alone. Whether you're moving across the state or across the country, this video will walk you through exactly how we help families relocate to Spokane, step by step. By the end, you'll know what to expect, you'll feel more prepared, and maybe even excited. Let's dive in. Spokane is a hidden gem in the Pacific Northwest. It's a big enough area to offer jobs, good schools, and weekend fun, but small enough that you still feel connected. Families love the affordability, the slower pace of life, and the incredible access to nature. One family I helped told me this is the place we feel like we can actually breathe. And something about that really stuck with me. Now, if you like the numbers, the median home price here in the mid-2020s is around $420,000. Top-rated school districts include Meade, Central Valley School District, and the population sits around 240,000 or so and is growing steadily. And yes, the rumor is true. You can ski, hike, paddleboard, and hit a farmer's market all in the same weekend. Just don't try it in flip-flops. So how do we help families relocate? We've created a 4-step system designed to make this move easier, less chaotic, and way more personalized. Step 1 is a discovery call. We start with a simple 30-minute Zoom call. There's no pressure, no sales pitch, just us getting to know you, your goals, your timeline, and what really matters to you most, whether that be schools, commute, living in a cul-de-sac like the one I get to live in, walkable neighborhoods. We listen first, then we guide. Step 2 is neighborhood matchmaking. We create a custom guide to neighborhoods that matches your lifestyle. We've helped people who wanted space, people who wanted better walkability, and even people who just wanted to be near a good pizza place. We break it all down for you and compare it to other cities that you might know. We even track commute times, walk scores, school ratings. We will send you videos. We will send you maps. We'll even record the traffic noise if that's important to you. It's like a dating app for neighborhoods with only a lot less red flags. Step 3, home tours. Whether you're already here or still in another state, we do walkthroughs live or in person virtually that are actually helpful. We show you things that you actually need to see, not just the pretty angles that we see online. See, we'll point out things such as traffic noise, funny smells, creaking floors, and neighbors who seem like they haven't even mowed the lawn since 1997. We share it all. It's all about full transparency. We want you to know the house, not just take our word for it and buy it. Step 4 is the move game plan. This is when it gets fun. When it's go time, we help you line up the entire process. Moving truck timelines, short-term rentals if needed, contractors, inspectors, even referrals to schools or various daycares. We've done this a lot, and we've got a system and local partners that we trust for each and every single unique situation. But more importantly, we've got your back. Now is a good opportunity to answer a few questions that we get all the time. Like, when should we start? We get this question all the time. Ideally, 6 to 9 months ahead of when you need to be here, but we've helped people relocate in under 30 days. What if we've never been to Spokane before? This is not a problem. We work with a ton of families who relocate sight unseen. We give you all the tools that you'll need to feel confident from a distance. Do you guys help renters too? Yes and no. We do help support families who are renting now and planning to buy later. That's something that we do all the time. It's all about building that relationship from the start. How are the schools? Well, I can say the Meade, Central Valley, and Freeman school districts all rank pretty highly. There's also some great option schools available for your kids, as well as District 81 in the greater Spokane area that I am a product of that also tends to do pretty good. And as a soon-to-be dad, trust me, this one matters. So why work with us? My wife and I have helped literally dozens of families relocate to Spokane. We've been through cross-country moves ourselves, and we understand the stress, the questions, and all of those unknowns. We care deeply about making this journey easier for you and your family. In fact, I had this one client that said, we didn't just find a house, we found peace. And I'll tell you, that's what this is all about. We're not just agents, we're guides. we're advocates, and yeah, sometimes we're your unofficial therapists too. So if you're thinking about moving to Spokane, let's talk. Schedule your discovery call at the link below. No pressure, just a real conversation so that we can get to know each other. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your biggest relocation questions or your favorite Spokane neighborhood. I'm always curious to know. And if you're already living here, help the new folks out. Drop your favorite coffee spot, park, or taco spot in the comments below. Just don't tell everyone about Green Bluff. We gotta keep some secrets. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. See ya later.